假如生活进退两难，那就经常逆风翻盘；生活让你一贫如洗，经常让你风生水起。
I think a high-precision rotor shaft determines whether a pump is good or bad. Our rotor shaft production line. It consists of 2 sets of 3-axis manipulator arms and 1 set of 6-axis robots. 2 row-mounted robotic arms operate to CNC lathes. The rotor shaft is initially machined, 1 coarse and 1 fine, to ensure the accuracy of each dimension of our rotor shaft and minimum runout. The entire production line is controlled by 1 worker. The automated equipment allows him more time to make full-size checks. After the lathe is our tooth rubbing machine. This set of equipment is controlled by our robot loading and unloading. Straight K knurling of rotor position and tooth rubbing of shaft head. It's all processed by this set of equipment. After rubbing, our products usually use a pass-through gauge. Check the modulus of the product, the number of teeth and the large path of the spline after rubbing. Finally, the rotor is polished by a grinder. Make our products pulsation control within 3 so, and ensure the accuracy of all bearing positions and other key dimensions. Finally, our lathe will polish the sealing position. Ensure that the machine seal position is free from any burr and bump. Avoid leakage of the motor after installation. So our rotor, the processing is complete.